So I'm putting these. I'm working on this C7 with the Huei injectors. Of course, you know I labeled it number 6. That's where it came out of. Already cleaned the injecting hole out. Got all the carbon out of there. But mostly this video is about making some Huey injector, installing. These things don't go down even after you put oil in them, and you know, on the O-rings and all that, they don't go down. And you need, of course, to do a little force. So anyway, these are about 4 inches long, 8 millimeter by 125 threaded rod. And what I did is I put a little flat or a slot in there for a screwdriver. So these go down into here, into the top of the head. Screw them down by hand. Sometimes they're harder to get in. Your fingers are small. So yeah, you can get the screwdriver in there and run these in down in the head. Like I said, there's roughly 4 inches long. It's got a 13 millimeter nut on it, which is 8 millimeter bolt. And yeah, screw these down. That's it right there. So she's ready to go down. Let's see how this works. Haven't tried this yet. So I got my 13 millimeter socket. Yep. Try her. Trusty. Oh, those work good. Oh man, those are nice. Oops, yeah, she drops down in. Not too bad. You can see it go down. There you go. You can tell when it's there. It stops. You can undo the bolts. Undo the nuts. Some guy, I know one guy there used, he was using bolts with like stacking nuts on top, and this is quite a bit better than using that system. Let's undo the. Boy, does that make life easier. Yep. So yeah, there's one. Yeah, this one's kind of stuck down in there. You can see that. Maybe I got my head in the way. There you go. There you go. So there's the other one. So yeah, these are about 4 inches long, from tip to tip, and 13 millimeter socket goes on there. And always good to put a little slot in there for a screwdriver. So yeah, try that out next time. This one's ready bolted in down in there. Get my bolts. Always use. Tell you to put new bolts on there. I don't know. So yeah. All right. Well, yeah. This one's in. You can see it right here. It's all ready to go. Put your bolts in there. Not hard with the right equipment. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos.